Hello, in this video I will revisit what I learned in the Operations Management module. These courses have allowed me to truly understand how operations work and improve in daily life. These learnings have taken shape through various courses and assignments. The courses first taught me an essential thing. All organizations are systems made of processes as presented in the first class. Everything we use, consume, eat, or experience has gone through an operation. Next, I understood that operations are studied at three levels: the supply network, the operation, and the processes themselves. The project management course taught me to see activities as dependent sequences with risk, constraints, and the need to balance resources and deadlines. The design course helped me understand that the product, service, and process are inseparable. I remembered the project process matrix and the idea that decisions made early in the design commit the majority of future cost. With job design, I understood the concrete impact of autonomy, feedback, task variety, and ergonomics on motivation. The job characteristic model has become a very useful tool for reading in the field. The layout course taught me that space is not neutral, it influences time, performance, movement, and satisfaction. The planning and control courses made me understand the importance of balancing supply and demand. I discovered the concept of push and pull cues and the impact of variability on performance. The capacity planning course gave me tools to identify bottlenecks, analyze demand peaks, and understand how variability creates cues. The inventory management course helped me understand why inventories exist, how storage costs, stockouts, and reorder points work. Finally, supply chain and sustainable supply chains opened me end-to-end vision. I understood that fluidity plus visibility equal performance, and that AI plays a huge role in this transformation. In the first assignment, I was able to apply this concept to the Irish context by studying the impact of AI on operations in Ireland, particularly in banking, logistics, and retail. I analyzed companies like Bank of Ireland, DHL, and Tesco, and I understood that AI improves efficiency, flexibility, quality, and customer service, but I also identified the risk. Data dependence, high integration cost, ethical issue, and social impact. But I also identified the risk, data dependence, high integration cost, ethical issue, and social impacts. By using concepts like Lean, Agile, and TQM, I was able to analyze whether AI reinforce or disrupt traditional approaches. I learned that AI is not a magical solution, it's a powerful tool, but it must be aligned with the organization's capabilities, culture, and strategy. For the second assignment, I observed the barista position at Café Nero. It was the first time I analyzed a real job with the theoretical tools from the courses. The job characteristic model theory covered in class helped me a lot. Improving a job equals improving both performance and employee experiences. I noticed that the job was repetitive, physical, with little autonomy and little feedback. I also saw the importance of layout design, a topic covered in the courses. Indeed, just modifying the contour configuration could reduce crossings and a risk for customers. A good job design can improve both performance and well-being. In the third assignment, I mapped my Uber Eats experience from ordering to delivery. The mapping forced me to identify the decision, the bottlenecks, the sources of variability, and the points of customer frustration. Thanks to the courses on processes and capacity, I saw that this flow is very dependent. I also understood that the customer experience is directly linked to operational performance. A 3-minute wait because the delivery person can't find the entrance or because the restaurant starts preparing too late, these are real operational problems. Thanks to the courses, I learned to analyze rationally. Thanks to the assignment, I learned to observe concretely. And this mix of theory and field work is for me the greatest value of this module. Thank you for your attention.